Hi, Andrew here for tabletblog.de and Mobile Geeks. Thanks to Starbucks of ARMdevices.net, I have a chance to have a look at the Archos 101 XS, the new tablet that Archos announced a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, it is a 10.1 inch tablet, resolution is 1280 by 800. We have a very fast 1.5 GHz dual core processor on side from Texas Instruments, as well as 1 GB of memory. And yeah, on here is right now Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. Let's quickly confirm that in the settings, but in a month or so they will be pushing an update to Jelly Bean. There we go, Android 4.0.23, no 4.0.4. Let's have a look around the device. We have a webcam over here, the speaker like there, and here we have a micro SD card slot. This is the USB port, HDMI out, the port for the headset. We go around the device, power button, rocker switch for the volume, and nothing on the back. And as you can see, the Archos 101 XS is sitting on a keyboard dock. It's called the cover board, and yeah, it's pretty much a keyboard dock that you can also put on the device to protect the screen. It's secured with magnets here, as you can see, so it's really secure. And yeah, those magnets go pretty much around the case and they hold the cover board on the tablet. Let's maybe open here the browser. Let's try out the keyboard. Let's just type something. It works fine. So it's not the biggest keyboard, but you can get used to it. And I think you can even maybe write blog articles or something on here. Okay, the Archos 101 XS looks like it is really fast. I haven't seen any lags yet, although there were some reports. I think The Verge, their review wasn't the best, but I really like it up so far. You can see the viewing angles are really good. Archos had problems with the viewing angles before, but they are really good now. You can see, as you can see from every angle, yep, looks very good. Let's close that. Yeah, this is pretty much the Archos 101 XS. I think it will be available in September, at least in Germany, for €379, and I think it's $399 in the US. Let's quickly put the cover on the Archos 101 XS so that you can see how it looks. Here's the tablet, the keyboard dock, the magnets here around the device, and you can just put it on there. The magnets put it in place and it is secure. You can put it in your backpack or whatever. That is the Archos 101 XS. I'm Andrzej for tabletblog.de and Mobile Geeks, and thanks to Starbucks of ARMdevices.net. Thanks for watching.